Now, these teams, I believe and fully confident that today, after today, and this team will take us to the new height. Sure, it is my confidence that join together. Meta is here, Niti Aayog is here, Ministry is here, and the well-experienced teams from Manipal University is here, and our hardworking BC is here, and our additional CS is also looking after the planning, and he is one of the pillars which will start up in the state of Manipur. With these few words, I once again thanks all of you for taking the trouble, visiting here, coming down here, and sharing your ideas and views to develop the youth. Mainly startup, just is taken up by the youths in the state, and many educated students, peoples are here, and many talented people are here. With your motivation, with your ideas, with your new thought, I think Manipur can get at the top of I should say, India.
Currently, we have been working with startups across the country. We have close to about 71 startups. Technically, we have been supporting them in the past 3 years. These startups have gone on to raise about 25 crore rupees in this duration. Secondly, the startups that we have been able to support have been quite successful. In the last cohort, they have been able to raise close to about 2.5 crore rupees in one of the programs. We intend to run a program here in Manipur as well, in partnership with Manipur Technical University, as well as which is again supported by Government of Manipur. So we hope that this partnership will be able to support some of the technology startup. That is one of the many reasons why we are here today. The second thing is we have also partnered with Meta, is the parent company of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So this company will basically be supporting 10 startup from Eastern region, and AIC SMU TBI is the nodal agency to execute this program. Out of the 4 incubators selected across the country, we are one of them, and we will be supporting 10 startups. These 10 startups will be given a grant of 20 lakh each, and then also for a provision to grow in their business venture. We would also like to add a little bit in Manipuri to say